Okay, already you have gone through exercise 7F of your textbook R.S. Agrawal. Now let us go with exercise 7B. In exercise 7B, it is given that you have tried in the simplest form 0.224. My dear, to find out in the simplest form of a fraction, most of the students, I am saying that I have seen in my life that they do very simple mistake. Whether then they get even doubt also whether it is in the simplest form or not. So they leave out the answer in the midway. Finally, they don't get full marks. So one thing you have to keep in your brain, in your mind, that आपको क्या लगा रखना है? सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म करने के लिए न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का आप HCF निकालिए. First find out the HCF of numerator and denominator, then with the help of HCF and numerator get divided with both numerator and divisor. Your final answer will be in simplest form. Let us do it first. So your question given is this. So this can be written as, first you have to write this as 0.224. It can be written as, in fraction we will write it. Here 2 to 4, point is here. Don't forget about this point, right here 2 to 4. Then to remove this point, instead of point put here 1. Then how many digits are here? 3 digits. So write here 3 zeros. Let me explain you with one more example. Suppose if they have given you 1.04, you have to make it as a fraction. So how you will write? First you write here 104 by. Where does the point lies? The point lies here. So instead of point, write here 1. Then how many digits are here? 2 digits. Just simple write here 2. So 1.04 becomes 104 by 100. Still, if you have any doubt, you please comment in my comment box in the YouTube channel. Okay. So now coming to the question. Now this you have to do simplification. You don't know whether this is a prime number or no. So if it is a prime number, then this will be the simplest form or no, that also you don't know. So our motto is to make it simplest form. So you have to find out the HCF of 224 and 1000. Then divide with HCF. Here also divide with HCF. So our first motto is to find out the HCF of 224 by 1000. There are a lot of formulas are there are a lot of tactics are there to find out the HCF. But what I feel is division, that is long division method, is the most simplest method and the safest method. Let us go with the longest division method. What you have to do is you have to divide this and this. 224 divided by, now you have to divide 1000 with 224. So it goes 4 times. If you subtract, we are getting 104 as remainder. Until unless we get remainder 0, we have to go on doing division. Now with 104 we will divide this. It goes 2 times. Still we don't have remainder 0. Now with 16 we have to divide 104. 16 6 are 96. Still we didn't get remainder. Now 8 and 16. 8 2s are 16, remainder is 0. Therefore 8 is HCF. Now you can write it this as 224 divided by 8 by 1000 divided by 8. If you divide 224 divided by 8, you get so this is the simplest form of 0.224. You can go in this way in your home and practice in such a way. Okay. Okay, one more question is, convert the following into decimal. It is given in the example, and in example they have done division method. So with the help of division method, they are finding out the decimal. So I'll make you understand that without doing division method, we can also complete it as in decimal form. As in your class, you are in standard 6, you don't have any recurring decimals. So always try to make the denominator in tens or hundreds or thousands or 10,000s. This will be your first step. So once you can make the denominator in tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, it becomes very easy because already we have learned in our previous class. So first we will try to make 4 in terms of 10. So if you read out the tables of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, we don't get 10. Next, if we want 4 to make 100, we can make easily 100. Why? Because 4 into 25 is 100. So how we can see? Say by dividing 100 with 4, 4 into 25 we get 100. So 4 can be made as 100. So next step will be, you write here 29, in the bottom write 4. To make 100, you multiply with 25. So you are multiplying denominator with 25, equivalent fraction will be multiply numerator with 25. So your final answer will be 4 into 25 is 100, and in rough work you do 29 into 25. Finance 45. That is 725. Now we have 100 here, we can easily put decimal, that is just write 725, and here are 2 zeros, so from here you take 2 digits and write here point. So this is your final answer. One more question is typical type of question in your book. 219 by 40. We have to simplify this and do it in the decimal form. So first, this can be written as what? So this is the whole part. You can write here 2 plus 19 by 40. 50% of your work has become easy. Now what I said, you have to make this fraction in decimal form. So here it is 40. So you have to make 40 either to 10 or 200 or 2000 in this way. So 40 can be made easily 1000 by multiplying with 25. You know 40 into 25 is 1000. Now what you have to write here? Next, simplifying 19 by 40. So what you can write? 40 into 25 and 19 into 25. See, we are simplifying 19 by 40. 40 into 25, so we are multiplying numerator 19, here it is given 19 into 25. 40 into 25 is, we get 1000, and 19 into 25, if you multiply, you get 1925 is 475. Now this you can make decimal very easy, because here number of zeros are 1, 2, 3, so ultimately your point will be after 3 digits. This is first digit, second digit, third digit. So your point will be somewhere here. So your answer here will be 0.475. Okay. Then after this, your question continues. So from this means we can write it here. You write this question again. 2 plus 19 by 40, which can be written as 2 plus 19 by 40 means 0.475. Your answer is 2.475. In such a simple form, you can find out your answer. Thank you. Now, one more thing I am going to make you learn from your textbook. Just keep it those things in your mind, and your answers will be within your fingertips. Thank you. Answer. So, to make denominators in tens, 100, 1000, Such questions are there in your textbook. If it is 2, you can make it 2 as 2 into 5 is equals to 10. For 4, you can multiply 4 into 25 is equals to 100. For 5, you can write here 5 into 2 is equals to 10. For 8, you can write 8 into 125 equals to 1000. For 20, you can write 20 into 5 is equals to 100. For 40, 40 into 25 is equals to 1000. For 50 into 2 is equals to 100. For 250, 250 into 4 equals to 1000. In this way, the denominators, if the denominators are 2, 4, 5, 8, 20, 40, 50, 250, you can make it as 10, 100, 10, 1000, 100,000 in terms of tens, 100 and 1000, and find out the answer within पल भर में आप आपका आंसर निकाल सकते हो। यदि डाउट है तो कांटेक्ट कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, अच्छा लगा, समझे हो तो शेयर कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, पेरेंट्स के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए कि आपने एक नया चीज़ सीखा हुआ है आपकी कक्षा में। थैंक यू।